Here is my 2017 Holmes Lil-Blizzard oscillating power desk fan. Now I got this in September 2017 at Bed Bath & Beyond. Now it's been a pretty good fan. Yeah, actually a really good fan. It's kind of loud, but it moves a lot of air, and I actually like the sounds it makes. It's a nostalgic sound. It reminds me of always going to my dad's office and playing with the fans there, because there are a lot of these at some of the desks there. So yeah, I still have the box, and it's a pretty cool box actually, so I'll go ahead and show it. Blizzard power. Now, of course, it's nowhere near the power of an actual Blizzard, but like it still is powerful. Motorized oscillation. It doesn't oscillate too far, but I mean, it's okay. 2-speed settings. Lil-Blizzard. And there's the top of the box. Let me see if I can open both these with one hand. It's really hard to do that, but right there. There's that. And then on the bottom, it was made by Jardin Corporation, which is made by Sunbeam. So yeah, it was made in China. So yeah, let's get the box out of the way, and here is the fan itself. Now, again, this is a good fan for sure. It does not blow as much air as a Vornado fan, except it, honestly, overall, I'd say it may be better value than a Vornado fan. Except not as good build quality, but yeah. It's got the Holmes logo right there. Blizzard. Now, like I said, this is a Lil-Blizzard. There's the Blizzard Junior, the Lil-Blizzard, and then just the regular Blizzard. Now, this does actually have a pretty unique, cute design. I like it. At the bottom, right here. So yeah, let me go ahead and turn it on now. Let me see. Here is low with the oscillation. Now it is kind of rattly. I haven't run this in a while. Let me go ahead and turn the oscillation off. There we go. Can't get this camera to focus using my phone. Here we go. Here is high. Now, like I said, it is pretty loud, but that's pretty much my only complaint with it. It does have a nice sound. Now, it does oscillate fast, so that's good. But yeah, it has a pretty good spin down time. So yeah, there is my 2017 Holmes Lil-Blizzard fan. Thank you for watching, and it's over now.